When you use airplane mode, your iPhone kills everything, even your cellular signal. But what if you could turn off Bluetooth, mobile data and Wi-Fi only and stay connected to cellular? Let me show you BMW Mode for iPhone. Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a powerful iPhone shortcut that lets you toggle Bluetooth, mobile data and Wi-Fi all at once with a single tap. When you add it to your home screen and even your control center, and it works like a smart on-off switch. Let's jump right in. Before I show you how to make it, let me quickly tell you why this is so useful. The shortcut helps you save battery, reduce distractions, and instantly disconnect when you don't need internet or Bluetooth. It's perfect for flights, sleep time, meetings, or when you just want to go offline fast. I like to call it BMW Mode. Bluetooth, mobile data, and Wi-Fi mode. Now let's build the shortcut. First, open the Shortcuts app. Tap the plus icon in the top right to create a new shortcut. Now tap Search Actions at the bottom. Type Bluetooth and tap on Set Bluetooth. Here, tap on Turn and change it to Toggle. Now don't leave this page. Tap Search Actions again and type Mobile Data. Tap on Set Mobile Data, then tap Turn and change it to Toggle. Now tap again, tap Search Actions and type Wi-Fi. Tap Set Wi-Fi and change Turn to Toggle. Now you have three actions: Bluetooth toggle, mobile data toggle, and Wi-Fi toggle. Next, tap the down arrow at the top, tap Rename and name it something like BMW. You can also choose an icon or even select a custom photo. Now tap Add to Home Screen. Now the shortcut is on your home screen. Now let's add it to Control Center. Swipe down to open Control Center, tap and hold, or tap the plus icon, tap Add a Control. In the search bar, tap Shortcuts. Tap Run Shortcut, now tap Choose Shortcut and select BMW. Now it's added to your Control Center. Now the best part, how it works. Tap once, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data turn off. Tap it again, they all turn on. One tap, full control, that is BMW Mode on iPhone. If this helped you, give the video a like and subscribe for more hidden iPhone tricks. I'll see you in the next one.